Hi, everybody. My name's John Fierro. I work at the Diocese of Allentown Office of Education, and I'm looking forward to chat with you guys today about a Pennsylvania tax credit opportunity. In Pennsylvania, we have two types of tax credits: Educational Improvement Tax Credits, or EITC, and Opportunity Scholarship Tax Credits, OSTC. EITC was established in 2001. There's currently 18 other states in our country who offer similar programs. In Pennsylvania, this program is funded $135 million. OSTC was established in 2012, 2013, and has $55 million in funding. Both of these programs have the same 90% tax benefit for the donor, and both of them are extremely hard to come by. Both are actually underfunded by about $80 million. So the beauty is EPSF and our schools have the opportunity, because we've already received these credits, to take advantage of this benefit. I'm going to get into the benefits now shortly. Donor benefits, really the main benefit is the 90% tax credit that you receive by making a contribution. So for example, if you pay $10,000 in taxes and you come into our program for that $10,000 amount, you'll receive $9,000 back when you get a PA tax return. But truly, these programs do not grow on trees. This is the only one I know of that offers a 90% tax credit to benefit private education. This program allows you to direct your taxes inside your community. I always give the example, 80% of the PA tax budget is made up of public schools, infrastructure, and welfare. So odds are 80% of your taxes are going to those three buckets. Through this program, you are allowing your whole tax liability to go to JPII or a school of your choice, which is truly amazing to be able to have your money stay within your community. The people who benefit from this program are JPII, who then gets financial aid and scholarship opportunity, and you, the donor, receives a 90% tax credit for your contribution. So we highly recommend this being a great avenue to really benefit and grow the opportunity of our schools, JPII especially, in bringing in new students and hopefully help retain some of them as well. Most people talk about how does it work. They think tax is really convoluted, hard to understand. That's absolutely not the case. There's only 3 steps needed in order to participate in this program. First, you need to sign an online operating agreement that I would send you via email. We use a DocuSign-like platform, so everything's done digitally, and that would be the first step. You'd get the operating agreement, you'd fill it out, and you can move forward to the next step. The second step is sending in your contribution to EPSF. That's a simple, very easy to do thing. You just write a check. It takes about 10 seconds, frankly. You write a check. I will be in contact with you. I'll tell you where to make the check out to and who to send it to, and we can move forward. And the final step is EPSF will send you a tax credit. This tax credit is going to be in the form of a K-1. You'll hand that over to your tax preparer, and they'll be able to do the rest. So those are the 3 steps. We currently have 2021 and 2022 tax credits available. I have spoke about EPSF a couple times now. Just so you guys know, EPSF is a scholarship organization that is deemed by the state eligible to give out these credits. EPSF is a separate legal entity from the Diocese of Allentown, so your money is absolutely insulated and secure, and it's a guarantee that your funding will go to the school that you designate. This is a donor-designated tax credit program, so the money goes wherever you'd like it to. It goes completely based on your wishes. Obviously, we think John Paul II is an absolutely great opportunity to support your local community, and they would be a great person to benefit with this funding. And finally, the call to action. First, you have to determine if you qualify. There's 2 main things to determine if you qualify. One is you have to be a PA resident, thus pay PA taxes. If you are one of those things, great, you can move forward. Second is income and assets. This program designated by the state is designated by the state that you make $200,000 annually, or $300,000 jointly with your spouse, or have a net worth of $1 million. So you only have to meet one of those 3 criteria, whether it's you make $200,000 annually, jointly between your husband and wife, you make $300,000, or you have the net worth of $1 million in assets. So one of those three things would allow you to qualify to participate in this program. If you don't qualify, that's perfectly okay. Most people don't qualify for this program, but that doesn't mean you can't make a great impact. We ask that if you don't qualify, spread this news and spread this video to people who you think may qualify. Bringing in a donor for $5,000 to JP2 is just as impactful as you being able to contribute yourself. So I highly encourage, if you don't meet those income or asset criteria, reach out to someone who you think may, and hopefully they come in and are able to support John Paul II in a really great way. Some typically asked questions around this time is there a minimum amount that you can give? And there is a minimum. It's about $5,000. The reason for that number is if you make $200,000 annually, based on the PA tax code, you're paying $5,000 in taxes. So that's kind of where that number comes from. But certainly reach out to Melissa Jablonski or myself, and we can kind of dig more into your personal situation and try to make any adjustments we need to. That's really the end of my presentation. If you have any questions, comments, please reach out. Here's my contact information. I'd love to chat and discuss this program with you. I truly believe this is an absolutely great opportunity to support your local school and support John Paul II. I know that John Paul II could utilize this funding. It's a huge asset to be able to offer such great financial aid packages to our students. And I really hope that this is a great opportunity for you to continue and grow John Paul II's wonderful amount of resources to be able to help such wonderful kids. Thank you again for your opportunity to chat with you and listening to this video. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.